bonny loon, born in May, the month of bloom, in the makin o' your tune, Huntly and Kincraigie. Hector, may your life be long, never scarce o' love and song. Sweet's the wells frae far ye sprang, Tarlin Burn and Bogie. Stench the meaning o' your name, supple hands and supple frame. Now you've made a hoose a hame, blithesome fiddler's laddie. Like Strathbogie's stunning steens, you'll hae smed 'em in your beans. Chicksers reeds the summer gains, roon Cramar and Drummy. Fit in the road, your fit may talk, peace and joy be in your pack. May ye never fortune lack, far the winds may blaw ye. Here's your health, swak may ye grow, like the roset on the bough. May your troubles a' be few, Anderson's new babby.